Want to level up your Wix website by seamlessly integrating content from all corners of the web? Let's dive straight into mastering iframes in Wix. First, head over to your Wix editor and navigate to the page where you want to embed your external content. Next, click the Add button on the left side of the screen, then scroll down until you find Embed Code. Click on it to expand its options. Now, you'll see a few choices. We want to embed a website, so click Embed a Site. An iframe box will appear on your page. You'll also see a window prompting you to enter the website address you want to display. This is where the magic happens. Paste the URL of the website, video, or content you want to embed into the provided field and click Apply. Once the content loads, you can drag and resize the iframe to fit perfectly within your page design. Play around with the positioning until it looks just right. And that's it. Preview your website to see your embedded content live with iframes. You can bring your Wix site to life with videos, maps, and so much more. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Wix tutorials.